Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I have done freehand line sketch for this painting. You should definitely check it out if you haven't. In this video, I'll show you how to paint with poster colors. Poster colors are very underrated among artists and I haven't seen many people using poster colors for painting. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make great professional level painting with these. These are the cheapest colors in the market. These are Rangila poster colors. You will get it for just rupees 20. Isn't that great? So talking of cheap colors, here are some cheap brushes that I'm using. These are water brush pen and some normal synthetic brushes, round brushes. I'm really using the cheapest product in the market, but these products are really cool. Back in school, I still remember how I used to paint with these. And I really love the pop sound it makes when you open it up. As you can see the sketch, there are a lot of dark lines that I don't want. So I'll be erasing that with this kneadable eraser. And I'm going to do it really fast. So sketch is done, it's ready to paint. So I will start with some yellow color and I am keeping it very light and I will see the highlights. Okay, sorry, I will show you the reference image. Here is the reference image and I will put it aside. As you can see in the reference image, there is a lot of base that is of yellow color. So I have started this painting with yellow color. So you must have got it right. And I'm using this reddish brown color and red color to further paint. And as you can see, I am painting it very light initially because poster colors are not transparent and I will have to take care of that. See, for the face I need some orange color, but this pack of Rangila you don't get an orange color, so I have to mix paint here. And I'm thankful to Rangila for providing 12 colors for just rupees 20, man. That's insane. This watercolor brush pen that I'm using right now, it's more than rupees 20. And see, it's just synthetic brush, but it's also cheap. You will get it for like rupees 50 or 60, and it has multi-purpose uses. I suggest you to have it. You can fill it with water and mix colors in it, and you can literally use it like a brush pen, and it's super handy and super cool. So yeah, here's another trick that I want to tell you. See, the eye is black. You can see black color in the reference image, but as you can see, I'm not using black color here because dark colors are really dangerous. So what I'm doing is I'm using blue color and mixing it with brown and red to make it dark brown color. And this tip and trick will also apply on watercolors. So if you have watched this video this far, let me tell you, my friend, this painting is not about copying the reference image. All I want to create is an artistic expression of the person that I'm painting. You will see a lot of brush strokes and my personal style in this painting. When you don't keep in mind that you have to exactly replicate the reference image that you are seeing and you have to make it exactly like that, then there starts your personal style, my friend, personal style. Then you start doing your personal style. You start using the colors that you want. You start creating your own brush strokes, unnecessary brush strokes. You will see a lot of unnecessary brush strokes, but it will all
come together and it will look great. So yeah, so don't try to copy whatever you are seeing and paint it. Just use your artistic abilities, man. Just create something that is never seen before. Don't try to copy exactly like a printer. So what will be the difference between you and a printer? Printer does exactly the same thing and it's better at its job. You are an artist and you have to express your artistic style. And yeah, I hope you understand what I'm saying. So after having said all this, I don't think we need a reference image now. So tata. If watercolor and gouache color got married, then the baby that they will have is poster color. Yeah, it feels just like using watercolors in the beginning, but when you have done one or two layers, then it feels like doing gouache colors. So if you haven't seen my gouache and watercolors tutorials yet, then I will recommend you to watch it after this video. Link is given in the description. And here is my lovely flat brush, and it's time to show you some strokes with it. So the portrait is almost complete and it's time to do the background. I'm using a yellow color mixed with a little red to make this orange. As you can see on the face, it's quite warm, so I am painting warm colors in the background as well. So with these last strokes, I declare this painting as finished. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and you got to learn something out of this. And if you want me to continue uploading such art videos and tutorials for you, then don't forget to subscribe this channel to show your support and help this channel grow. So thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Until then, take care.